Hello everyone, my name is Utkarsha and I am taking 10th standard maths topics. And today's topic is statistics, and we have already seen what is introduction of statistics, and we have already covered to find the mean. That is, first one is direct method. Now second one we will see is assumed mean method. Now we have already seen there are class intervals. This is FI, which is number of students, number of people, number of children. So this is FI. Then XI is class mark. Remember how I told you class mark? See, here this is lower limit, and this is upper limit, and this is lower limit. So lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So 10 plus 25 upon 2. So 35 upon 2. And 35 upon 2 is 17.5. So according to this, we'll write 25 plus 40 upon 2, which is 32.5, 47.5, and then 62.5. Now, always you do no need to calculate this by upper limit plus lower limit upon 2 equal to this. See, there is 17.5 here, and there is class size. 25 minus 10 is 15, no? So just add 15 here. So 15 plus 17.5 we'll have to do, and that is 32.5. Same thing again, 15 you do. You'll get what? 42.5 plus 15. Rather than calculating this one is easy, right? 15 is 57.5. Oh, sorry, 47.5. 47.5, 62.5, and then 62.5 plus 15 is 77.5. 15 is 92.5. So next is okay. Now here we have to take one assumed mean, which we will take it from this xi. So always it is like we have to take the middle term. Now here the middle term is 47.5. If you have two middle terms, you can select any of one of them and can go ahead. Mostly you can take smaller one, okay, but you will get the same answer, 47.5. So DI is calculated by your xi 17.5. Now we took our assumed mean, that is A, as 47.5. So 17.5 minus 47.5, get the answer. Then here 32.5 minus 47.5, get the answer. Same way you have to calculate, and you will get here minus 30, minus 15. Then here 47.5 minus 47.5 is 0. Here you will get 15, 30 and 45. Now here also there is a trick. Here you got, see here there is 0, right? So wherever you are taking assumed mean, you have to calculate, you have to take the 0. Then here you got minus 15, here you got minus 30. Same thing you have to write here with plus sign, okay? But that also you have to see, be careful with the signs. And then here you will have to calculate. Then FI means this DI we will have to multiply with FI. So minus 30 into 2 is minus 60. and minus 15 into 3 is minus 75. This 0, 0. 15 6 is 90, then 30 into 6 is 180, and 45 into 6 is 270. Okay. And then, okay, now let us look at the assume. For direct method we had one formula, right? So assume, for assume method also we have one formula, and that one is this: x bar is equal to a plus summation fi di upon summation fi. Okay, so for that, to calculate this we will require what is summation of fi. So this summation will require, and summation of fi di. Now this summation means you will have to add all the terms, and this also summation means you will have to add all the terms. Now see, this total is, it is given in the question, so it is, okay, summation fi is 30. Minus 60 plus minus 75 plus 90 plus 180 plus 270. Now see, when you have minus signs, you add them, and okay, and then you write the same signs. Okay, here this will be 2. Okay, okay, by 40. Okay, see, 0 0 0 into 540. 540 is the answer, and when you subtract 135 from 540, it will be like 3 0 and 4. So 405 is the answer for summation. Okay, 435 is the answer. Sorry, this one is 45. Okay, this one is 45. So your answer will be 435. So your answer is 435. So A is 47.5. We have taken assuming to be 47.5 plus summation fi di we got 435 upon 30. Now this calculation depends on you, how you follow, how you go on. 47.5 plus 30, right? You can cancel first in 5's table. Okay, now you can divide this. Six 24, and then so 14.5. So when you add, you will get 62.0 is your mean. 62. So this we saw assume mean method. Then we will move on to step deviation method. Okay. This is the column for step deviation method. Now we have, okay, Now this is the class interval which is given 15 to 25, 25 to 30, same it is. Then number of states they have given, the number of students they were giving, number of people they were giving, number of children and all. Now they are giving number of states. Then xi is 15 plus 25 upon 2 which is 20. So then here class size is 10. So go on adding 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, then you will get 80. Then di is xi minus 50. 50 they have taken as assumed mean. Here also as a you have to consider. They have taken the middle term 50. So when you subtract 20 minus 50 you get minus 30. 50 minus 30 is minus 30 minus 50 is minus 20. Okay. Then here you just have to do ui is equal to di upon 10. Minus 30 upon 10 is here. First one will be minus 30 upon 10 which is minus 3. Then second one will be minus 20 upon 10 which is minus 2. Third one is minus 40, okay, minus 10 upon minus 10 which is 1, minus 1, sorry. Then this one is 0 upon this will be 0. 10 upon 10 is 1, 20 upon 10 is 2 and 30 upon 10 is 3. Now, you have to multiply fi with xi now. This one. So 6 into 20 is 120. 11 into 30 is 330. So this is how you get after multiplying fi with xi. Then next column is fi di. So fi you have here and di. 6 into 30 minus 30 is 1 minus 180. 11 into minus 20 is minus 220. 7 into minus 1 is 7 into minus 10 is minus 70. So this will be your FIDI and then next one is UI. So these three columns you have to multiply with FI and then you will get this three columns. And then accordingly you will have to find the summations. You will have to add all them. So summation FIXI is 1390. Summation FIDI is minus 360 and summation FIUI is minus 36. This is your formula of assumed mean method. Sorry, step deviation. A plus summation FIUI upon summation FI into H. Let's go verify. Yeah. So A we had taken here 50. This was your A, no? See. A is 50. Summation FIUI is minus 36. Summation FI is 35 and height is 10. Okay, you can cancel. Okay, then this you can cancel. So 5.1 into 2, 10.2 and and that will be your 60.2 something. So this is your mean by step deviation method. So you can see we have covered all the three methods of to find mean. So next class we will solve the exercise, first exercise of statistics, and we'll solve only the mean which are asked in the exams. Okay. Some of them will solve by direct method, some of them will solve by this assume mean, and some will solve by step deviation. Yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Do like, share and subscribe.